Hello guys, welcome back. So in my last video we have discussed about the data source in Packer, how we can use data source to get the data from AWS and then use that in our Packer. Let's create one shell script here. So what we will do, we will create a script directory, and inside that script directory we'll create one file called build.sh. Bin dash. After that, what we will do? We will do sudo apt suppose update -y, and the next command I want to use like sudo apt install http suppose. Why? So these are the two commands that I want to run in my EC2 instance. Let's run another one command here. Do systemctl start HTTP. So these three commands I want to run in my EC2 instance that Packer will spin up. Save this file. Now what we will do, we will copy .build.sh to the temp directory in the EC2 instance. If for that case, what we can use is there is a provisioner inside that build. We can use a provisioner block. So if we go to the documentation, you can see there is file provisioner. So in that file provisioner, if you see the HCL2 template, so here you can see the provisioner file and the source and the destination is there. Let's copy this block and paste it here. So this will be our scripts, then build.sh file, and in the target also we want to keep the same name. Let's use this one and then save it. What this provisioner file will do is it will copy this build.sh to the EC2 instance temp directory, and the name of the file will be the build.sh. Let's go to the Ubuntu and create a script. Let's do a validate. Packer validate. So you can see the configuration is valid. Now we can use Packer build, the name of the Packer file, then enter. As you can see, it is spinning up the instance and waiting for instance to become ready. Let's go to the AWS console and we'll go to the instance dashboard, and here you can see the EC2 instance is in pending state. So this is FP8. Let's confirm that. Yes, this is FP8 and this is the instance. Okay, let's wait for some time. Yeah, now the instance is running state and status is initializing. You can see it's already been stopped by Pega. Connector SSH, then uploading the build.sh file to the EC2 instance. After that, it is stopping the EC2 instance. So, okay, now what it is happening, like creating the AMI. So, if we go to the console and see if AMI is created, let's go to the AMI section and see. Yeah, so this is the new AMI. Okay, now the AMI is created. And now what happened actually, whatever the file that is copied, we could not able to see that in the EC2 instance it was copied or not. We cannot validate that because it is copied, as if we can see here in this console output, but we could not validate it because after copying that, it is already the instance is stopped by Packer. So what we can do to validate that, we can use a breakpoint here. So we can use that breakpoint and stop Packer for some time until we push enter. So the Packer will be waiting for us, and we can go to the EC2 instance and then we can validate that the build.sh is present or not. Let's do that. So if we go to the code here, what we can do, we'll go to the provisioner section again, and here you can see there is a breakpoint provisioner. So this breakpoint provisioner will pause until the user passes enter to resume the build. So the Packer will wait for user to push enter. What we can do, we can use this breakpoint in our code. After this provisioner file, we can use this provisioner. Let's save it and rerun that Packer command. So now clear it. Now Packer, again we will run that Packer build AWS Ubuntu Packer file. So if we push enter, it will start the EC2 instance and wait for instance to become ready. Okay, the instance is now running and it is in initializing state. And then go to the console. Yeah, you can see the build.sh is copied to the instance and it is waiting for user input. If we press enter, then only it will continue. Otherwise, it will wait. In the meantime, we can go to the EC2 instance and connect to the EC2 instance. So EC2 instance. So connect EC2 instance directly. I will connect using this EC2 instance connect, then connect it. So as you can see, the establishing connection. Okay, now we are in the EC2 instance. Let's go to the temp directory. You can see the build.sh is available. Want to validate the same build.sh or not? Yes. So this is the file that we have created in the script directory, and it is copied to the EC2 instance. To continue with the build, we have to press enter here. Just press enter and go to the instance dashboard. You can see that it is in stop state, and in the console. It is waiting for AMI to become ready. Let's go to the AMI console and refresh. Yeah, you can see that AMI is in pending state. So this is how we can use breakpoint to ask Baker to wait for user input. We can go and do our validation. Let's go to the console. This is still in pending state. Let's wait for some more time. Let's refresh the console. Okay, you can see the AMI is available now. This is how we can use breakpoint to ask Baker for pause until the user passes enter to resume the build. That's it in this video. Do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.